Well, we are back to the phone, y'all. We've got Catherine holding for us from Macon. Hi, Catherine.
Hi, I was wondering if my grandmother wants me to write her will for her. Is that legal?
I'll turn to the expert.
Someone who makes money writing wills.
Right. Anyone can write a will, but it would behoove an individual to consult with an attorney, because there are certain things that have to be in a will before, so that it is valid. For instance, it has to be witnessed by 2 people. Those 2 people have to know that they're witnessing a will, and they have to sign a statement to that effect, and that the testator seemed to be of sound mind, and all of them are at least 14 years of age. It also helps if you have a self-proving affidavit. In the old days, we didn't do that, and we had to chase down witnesses after a person died so that they could fill out interrogatories where they were answering questions about the circumstances around the witnessing of the will. And now we can do all of that at one time. In writing the will, we have a self-proving affidavit that is the last page of the will, and it basically answers all those questions. Yes, we did this, and we knew what we were doing, and the person knew what he was doing or she was doing.
Yeah, and those websites and software that you may be referring to as a possible source for writing a will, don't follow those. I mean, you use somebody like Topher who knows Georgia law and can make sure the will applies Georgia law appropriately, and all the T's are crossed, not all the I's are dotted,
right,
to make it a valid will. 'Cause the last thing you want to have happen is you try to write a will and then you need it and it's not any good.
Right, and if you're doing it and your grandmother's leaving you something, then there's
more complicated.
It's more complicated,
yeah,
because there's some self-interest involved there.
Right, right.